Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on AMD. It's a short from first entry was 75.99. Second entry was 75.86. And let's get the date out of the way. It's the 15th of September 2022. It's 12:07 p.m. I just did a trade recap on my PLTR slight profit break even trades. And we just sticking to the rules, man. We're not breaking no rules. We doing proper risk management and trading properly again for you guys, man. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're looking at my videos, I think you would expect me to have some winning trades to show you guys, you know what I'm saying? Or at least do some proper trades. Even though it doesn't win, it's a good trade, you know what I'm saying? So let's see. Going up to 30-minute chart on AMD. So AMD is kind of breaking below value here. So we're having the retest of this breakout right here. So around this level, that's the bottom right there. And we're having this breakout of the bottom. It's a retest right now, right? So excuse me. So we broke with this candle, big sell-off candle. That's a 30-minute candle right there. Found support at floor pivot S2, and now we're pushing back up. So maybe we might get stopped out on this one, but let's see, you know. Going down to the oh wait, let me just check the Camarilla pivots. So we have overlapping. No, actually we have an inside day. This is beautiful, man. You don't really get these too much. So R3 today is at 78.05. S3 is at 76.84. Prior days S3 was 75.73 and R3 was 78.30, right? So that's a nice inside value day. That's a good good setup for like a breakout and a trend day. So let's see. With the market being weak today, AMD was weak as well. This is the 5-minute chart, and let's see what happened here. So we had this reversal here from floor pivot S2. Nice reversal candle. All who took the long from there, that was a great trade. Back up to Vwap, that's a great trade. But now we back up to Vwap, and that's when I start taking shorts at around 76, 75.99, and added to the short when we broke below again. But we're still having this little bullish activity up to Vwap. So we have high volume coming in, but it's a doji candle that's forming right now. Let's see, what time is it? 1 minute before that candle finishes. So it's looking like that candle is going to finish here as a doji. So it did. So high volume, right? Doji candle. To me, that's suggesting some depletion of the bullish activities, the responsive buyers who came in here. I think they're running into some initiative sellers right here who wants to push price back out of value. So this is coming back into value right here, right? So where Vwap is as well, that's like the value area right there, coming back into value. And now we're looking to get initiative sellers to push it back down to my target of 75.05. And hopefully we get there, man. I like this candle right here on high volume. That's good. This is another high volume candle. The bulls did not get to push price up. Initiative sellers are selling as we come back to value right here. So it's looking good. It's looking good. But anything could happen. Looking at the level 2, the bid is slightly heavier, but it's still kind of evenish. So we could still get a pump up to like 76.50 and stop me out, you know. So that's always a possibility. What's probable right now is, judging from these candles at Vwap, I would say that we would get the sell-off again. Let's see here. Let me take a look at the Qs. All right, so the Qs is looking weak again. The Qs is at 291.25. The low is 290.60. So it's looking like we're gonna probably get back to the lows, hopefully. Or else, if we push up from here, this would be like a higher low, you know. So let me show you guys that, man, instead of just saying it. The visual is always better. I gotta go soon though. I gotta go get ready for work. Not sure if I wanna leave this trade on though, because I'm not getting the follow through right now. So the cues, you can see the cues here forming kind of like a double bottom or a higher low. Right, so we're from here to here, that's a higher low right there. Oh, actually, let me do this. Never tried this one. So that's a trend line right there. Boom. Right, so are we breaking it? Looks like we're breaking that trend line right there. And let me make that trend line the proper color. Alright, so from here to here, support line. So it's looking like we're gonna break that support line. Hopefully it breaks the lows. The lows would be here. That's the low right there. Let's see. If I draw a trend line on AMD, I guess this would be a trend line right here. Or maybe if you include this. Nah, I think this one is better here as a trend line. So we're below the trend line on AMD. Kind of moving sideways, about to break lower again. See, this is the kind of thing I don't like with AMD right now, is this kind of indecisive move right here. So I think we have to break like that 75-80 level for me to have some confidence. We got to break this little structure right there. This little support area right here, we got to break this low for me to have some confidence in this trade. We also got to break this low right here. We're breaking the trend line on the cues, but we got to break this low right here because you could get more buying coming in right there. And actually, let me take a look at some real quick. So US dollar is pushing up, that's good. Alright, go to the 5-minute chart on the US dollar. Give it some room here. Yeah, so looking like we're gonna push up to, let's see, set some alerts here. We might push up to R4 on the Camarillas on the US dollar. Alright, so let me set some alerts. This is a high volume node here, this red line. See this right here, that's a high volume node. So that should be some support for the US dollar. Let's see, going over to the VIX. Right, so the VIX is very bullish. That's nice. That's good. That's good. The VIX is similar to the US dollar, running up to R4 again as well. We have R3 as a retest level for support. There's no volume on the VIX though, so you can't get like the volume at price levels like how you got on the US dollar right here. Let's see, looking at this, you see there's the volume point of control, high volume node right there. So we're getting the pullback. Let's see what happens right here. Let's see if it's gonna touch that line. Alright, so AMD is still below my entry, so that's cool. See, I got my setup here. I got the 1 minute over here. Got the 5-minute and the 15-minute chart. I need to get some more monitors for so I could have the US dollar up like this on another screen instead of having to flip through to the VIX and the US dollar. I want some screens specifically for that as well. So I have two screens here where I have my level 2 and my time and sales and stuff like that. So, you know, this is the time and sales, pulling this across from another screen. Level 2 on AMD is looking, the bid is looking heavier now. It's a lot more stacked. But this US dollar is pulling back, so that's not good. Yeah, so it broke the high volume node. You might get some reversal, yeah. So AMD is pushing back up. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? As when that breaks back below, let me see here. I think I'm gonna take a break even on this trade because I gotta go to work, so I can't really stay and monitor this trade too much. So I'm gonna set like a really tight, when it pulls back a little bit, set like a really tight stop and just let it probably stop out or something like that. Time is 12:18. Yeah, I gotta go get ready, man. Oh, you know what? I'll probably set my stop to 76.28. So even if I take a little loss on that, it ain't no big deal. 76.30. That's cool. Right, so I'm gonna set that. That's my stop right there. 76.30. Brought it down like 10 cents, leaving the target at 75.05. And I gotta go get ready for work. So let's see if I do another video when I come back. Maybe it's still in profit, maybe it hit my take profit, maybe it hit my stop loss, but let's see what's happening here. We have a nice little setup where we got to like a nice little double top right here at VWAP. Nice sell-off candle, so it's good enough to stay in the trade, but gotta be mindful of the bigger aspect of the trade, which is like, or the bigger aspect of the market where we have to depend on the US dollar to keep moving bullish for that to transpire, you know, to get like a further sell-off. You see the VIX is pulling back now, right? The US dollar is doing the same thing. So what is this here? No, I want that. Yeah, so if it does get support here at this level, 13.233, then maybe we could get like some support there and push back up. So from this level right here, just push back up, probably get to R4. You can see R4 is up there. And same thing on the VIX. So the VIX is retesting R3 right now, so hopefully we get that support and push back up from R3 up to R4. Alright, y'all, that's my live trade. That's my setup on AMD. A little reversal from Vwap. Double top two doji candles right there, setting up nicely. And we're trying to get back to the lows right here. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And y'all trade safe and stay blessed.